we're here at the official grand opening of the MAPS facility. So excited to be sharing this new program and new facility with the community and staff of HP, and just excited what we're bringing to the students of the high school.
It's really special because this is kind of the first time that we've had a class that's not so traditional, and it's really just about learning real life experiences and projects that go along with that.
Right now we're focused on two of the most important areas, business and economics, as well as engineering and design. And so we've got professionals from all of these fields coming in and talking directly to our kids and giving them opportunities to work on real-world problems with real-world experts.
I think students are really connecting with all the connections we're making with the real world, as opposed to me just doing economic theory. I just want to say that I'm happy to be part of this program, and I'm looking forward to what we can do with our students, and I'm really looking forward to seeing how this first inaugural class is going to shape up at the end of the year.
It involves a lot of project-based learning. It involves 2 class periods back-to-back and its own wing, the 3rd floor of the Northwest Edition. But then the curriculum itself is really different in that a huge part of it is to have almost weekly speakers, industry professionals, come in and talk to us about their field of work.
And it helps you with trying to figure out what occupation you want to do, or definitely if you want to go into the business side of it.
100% doing MAPS. It's a great way to meet a lot of cool people. It's fantastic.